Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone notifications not working. So guys, if you have this type of problem on your iPhone, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to open your settings on your iPhone, click on general, and guys, after this, first of all you have to reset your iPhone only settings, and guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, the second method is you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, simply you have to open your notifications tab. And guys, from here you need to open the app in which your sound notification sound not working. So guys, for example, I am going to open messages app. And guys, from here make sure that turn on allow all, allow notifications. And guys, you need to make sure that sound, any sound is selected here. So guys, if none, then guys your notification sound will not be working. So guys, simply you have to select any sound in this tab. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, after doing this, secondly you need to scroll it below, click on sound and haptics. And guys, after this you need to make sure that the cursor is full. And guys, after doing this you need to click on this text tone. And guys, from here you need to select any tone. So guys, if select none, then guys you need to select any tone. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.